y'all? Y'all let me know. This new keto carb friendly pancake mix, organic buttermilk and sweet potato pancake waffle mix. All of these. Mrs. Butterworth epic fruity pebbles pancake mix. Look at the double chocolate cinnamon toast crunch, Lucky Charms, Dunkaroos, fruit funfetti. They got it. Here's this brand again, y'all. I've never seen this before, but they got keto chocolate cupcake and cake mix, classic yellow cupcake and cake mix, brownie mix, and organic ultimate fudge brownie mix. Two, like little cups. Just little cups. Little cups. And they got the muffins. And these are $2.62 for these, y'all. These power crunches, you guys. These are like some protein energy bars. I never heard of these either. And also these right here, Ready Clean protein bars. And then they have these keto granola bars here too. These are new. Okay, these are new, you guys. Campbell's made these little bowls here. Chicken and rice with oyster crackers. Little bowls. Okay, these are $2.08. This is with the classic tomato double noodle. What? Okay. And then Progresso, they made theirs as well. This is a chicken noodle soup with oyster crackers. These are big. These are big here. These are $2.98. This is chicken corn chowder soup. And this is chicken tortilla soup with tortilla chips. What? I love chicken tortilla soup. I don't know if that would be good. Up here they have Italian style wedding soup, tomato and basil soup, loaded potato soup right here. And then over here, I don't know what this brand is. Well, yes, has some bowls of soup as well. And these are Cajun style chicken, harvest vegetable, spiced chicken tea, southwestern style chicken, and those are $2.08 as well. Chocolate hazelnut Kit Kat bins. These are new. Never seen these before. If you like Kit Kats, I guess these are $6.74 for these. Look at these mini sweet biscuits. They are $4.53. They're new to These are new bouncers from Hostess. $4.48. They got the cinnamon, the chocolate, and the glaze. Pumpkin muffins. How cute are these? Limited edition, of course. And then they have the banana nut banana muffins, and then the fudge ones, of course, and the blueberry. And these are $3.94. I'm so interested in trying these. Oh, I didn't know they had these. They have these in the mini sweet biscuits in the cinnamon sugar as well. Oh, they have the party cupcake, party muffins. Instapot seasoning packets. What? Mississippi roast, teriyaki chicken and broccoli and rice, fall off the bone ribs, and a ranch chicken. What? These are $1.98. Y'all let me know if y'all see that macaroni and cheese made with chickpeas pasta. What? Velveeta skillet meals. Like, look at this, y'all. Creamy beef stroganoff, Philly cheesesteak, ultimate cheeseburger mac, chicken alfredo, chicken bacon ranch, and chicken and broccoli, you guys. Look, they got oats overnight. I've never seen this before. Look at this. These are oats overnight shake. Apple cinnamon. You add water and refrigerate. What? These are $2.98. They have chocolate peanut butter, caramel. What? Okay, that's new. This is a very popular brand now. They got all the oatmeal, instant oatmeal for you now. Look at this oatmeal they got. Wow. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms, Cookie Crisp, and Tricks, and Cocoa Puffs, and Fruity Cups, Fruity Pebbles, and Cocoa Pebbles. What? All that sugar. Yeah, baby. What are you doing? The marshmallows. Huh? You trying to eat? These are new too, y'all. Look at these. These have the street taco flavor. It's with tender white meat wrapped in a crispy tortilla, you guys. We're gonna try these. These look so good. These are $5.98. They also have the beef ones as well. If you like beef. Hey, y'all, look at Martha Stewart at Walmart. Martha Stewart got food at Walmart. Her meals are $5.98. She has a brown sugar meal. I don't know what that is. Brussels. She has a scallop and potato. And she has a 4 cheese macaroni and cheese. So I guess these are sides, you guys. I don't know. Yes, these are sides. Look at that, y'all. Martha Stewart at Walmart. This Devour. That's new. Okay. That's new to me, y'all. I've never seen these before. Look at this. This is new. Look at that, y'all. Okay, guys, I have young Yachty's. Got a pizza at Walmart, y'all. And his pizzas are $6.98. He has a hot honey and cheese pizza, cheddar cheese seasoned crust. Look at this, y'all. Does he have a picture on the back? There's no picture on the back. But yeah, this is his pizza here at Walmart. And then he has this pizza as well. You got, oh, somebody put open. He has a garden veggie supreme pizza. Look at that, y'all. Young Yachty is at Walmart. So if y'all want to try his pizzas, they are $6.98 for his pizzas, y'all. Look at that. That is funny, isn't that? These pizzas up here, y'all, are $6.98 as well. And then they have the supreme one here as well. Let's see. They have the picture on the back of the pizza. Yeah.